the program, if you come to CBBC as a student, you learn your theory portion while you're online with us or in class. Then you will learn the actual hands-on skills when you come here to our dental clinic, or also your practicum office. So once you learn that skill here, you get to go work with it hands-on in an actual clinic. So it really gives you that benefit of practicing that skill in a real life setting. We run a real life dental office with hygienists and dentists who come here for 2 weeks to work with us. And within those 2 weeks, I call it the finale of the program, but it really takes everything that you've learned, gives us kind of a final time to make sure we've got it down pat and that you're comfortable, and you go out when you finish and you graduate with all those skills and the confidence that you need to be a registered dental assistant. We are completely certified this course, so instead of having to do 2 exams, which is like a practical hands-on exam and then a written exam at the end of the course, you only have to do the written board exam. So it's a National Dental Assistant Exam Board. Our stats this year, I think, are like 97% have passed out of our last classes for this board exam. So we have really, really good results for that.